Hey guys, today we're making this beautiful interior wall design art right inside 3ds Max. Perfect for giving your interior projects a modern, stylish touch. Step 1. Create the base plan. We'll start by creating a plane. Proportions matter, so I'm going with a ratio of 7. Let's resize the plane to 21 by 21, keeping it nice and balanced. No need for any segments here. We're keeping it clean for now. Step 2. Design the panel shape. Create a box and resize it to length 14, width 7, height 0.1. We don't need much thickness. Now, increase the segments to 7 along the length for some flexibility later. Step 3. Add some style with FFD modifier. Apply an FFD 3x3x3 modifier. Hit 1 on your keyboard, or open the control points from the drop-down. Select the middle control points and drag them on the Z-axis to shape your panel. Feel free to tweak the form however you like. Go creative. Step 4. Align and duplicate. Align your panel to the center of the plane. Then, Shift plus drag to make a copy. Make sure it's set to instance for easy edits later. Now select both shapes and Shift plus rotate 180 degrees to complete the base pattern. Step 5. Final touches. Want it smoother? Just bump up the segment count. You can delete the center plane if you don't need it. I'm keeping mine for a nice backing. Step 6. Combine and multiply. Select the plane and convert to Edit Poly, then attach all your shapes together. Now apply the Array tool and duplicate as many times as you want for a stunning pattern. And that's it! You've created a clean, stylish wall art pattern. Great for interiors or even product visualizations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a super thanks if you found this helpful. See you in the next tutorial.